Hello witches and wizards, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be doing another small business unboxing for an Etsy shop that I found called South Coasters. They recently just opened up their Etsy shop and Instagram page, and I just happened to find them and was so amazed at what they make. I sent them a trade of some of my bath bombs, and they sent me some of their items for me to do an unboxing with. So I cannot wait to share these with you guys. Again, they are just opening their shop, and they just started their Instagram, so please go and give them support. I'm telling you right now, what they make is amazing. This is a heavy box, I will say. Whatever's in here is a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. I just happened to come across them on Etsy while I was working, actually. It was just something that was recommended to me. A lot of Harry Potter shops get recommended to me, and I knew I needed to message them and ask if they wanted to either work together or if they would like me to do some type of unboxing for them. And I had no idea that they just started. I had no idea. Oh, that's adorable. Look at their little note card to me. It says, Lonnie, thank you. Hope you enjoy, Jacob. Oh, that's so sweet. I love that little note card. Did I tell them I was a Gryffindor? I don't know if I did. That's so cool, though. Oh, thank you, Jacob. I believe it's Jacob and Aaron that run the Etsy shop. So thank you guys so much. These coasters are heavy duty. I don't know why I thought they would be lighter. These are heavy. They're also packaged really well. Look at that! It looks like a present from Hogwarts. It looks so magical. It's Christmas Day. I have 4 little packages to open. Let's start with the top one. I have no idea what these are. I just told them to send me whatever they would like me to promote for them. All I know is they make coasters. And so, let's see. The Potions Master. It's a ceramic tile with a little bit of cork on the back. I have no idea how they create this. Wow. It looks like it's a real book page that they put on this tile. Because if you look really closely, you can see the words that are on the back of the page. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The Marauders map. Wow. We have the Marauders map, chapter 10. These are gorgeous. The only one he ever feared. And it has Dumbledore. These are so awesome. Then we have the last one. Last one. Let's see what it is. These are great. The House of Gaunt. Chapter 10, The House of Gaunt. Wow. I don't know what I was expecting, but these have blown me away. They're really heavy. They're really good quality. These would make for a fantastic gift for any Potterhead. Wow. I think my favorite one... Oh, I don't know. Probably number 8, the Potions Master. Or the Marauders map. No, I think it's the Marauders map. Make sure to go and find South Coasters on Instagram as well as on Etsy. Again, they just started their business and we need to go and show them some love. They're doing a fantastic job. These are great quality. I'm completely blown away. Thank you so much, South Coasters. Thank you so much, Aaron and Jacob. I'm so glad that I get to unbox these and share these with my followers to help support you guys. Comment down below which one of these is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all are staying safe. Please wash your hands, wear a mask, and bring justice to Breonna Taylor. Until next time.